Matt Warfel, Director of Sales at Fecon, here today to talk to you about the Stumper product line. We have various different models of Stumper that will fit on mini skids, skid steers, and excavators. When you're getting ready to do an install on these for a skid steer and excavator, you want to make sure that you have a polycarbonate windshield to protect the operator. Second thing is when you're hooking it up, definitely make sure that your pins are fully locked in so that there's no issue with the attachment coming loose at all on the carrier. Third thing you're going to look at, hydraulic lines. There are only 2 lines for all of the units except for the FST 360. So pressure and return lines, and then the FST 360 does have a K-strain line. Once you get those connected, make sure you're spinning those collars so that the loop fittings don't come loose. And then also check your hose routing. Make sure that hose routing isn't going to get stuck in the wheel or get pinched between the carrier and the attachment plate. That's pretty much it. You go out there and you just start grinding with this. There's no tuning required. Once it's all connected, it's ready to go. For more tips on these attachments or anything else Fecon has to offer, come to fecon.com.